Did you know you could turn a $10 into 100 or more? Sounds crazy, right? But it's not. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to flip items for profit, step by step. Whether you are a total beginner or just looking for a side hustle, this is for you. Let's get started. First things first, what is flipping? Flipping is simply buying items at a low price and selling them for a profit. It's like being a treasure hunter, but instead of keeping the treasure, you sell it for cash. And the best part? You can start with just a few dollars and scale it up as you go. Today, I will walk you through the entire process from finding items to selling them for maximum profit. We will come across the main 5 steps included in this business idea. Step 1, finding items to flip. Step 2, inspecting and pricing. Step 3, cleaning and prepping the item. Step 4, listing and selling. And finally, step 5, scaling your flipping business. Step 1 is all about finding the right items to flip. You can start by visiting thrift stores, garage sales, flea markets, or even checking online platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Craigslist. Looking for items that are undervalued or priced low but have high resale potential. Some popular categories include electronics, brand name clothing or shoes, furniture, collectibles, books, or media. One pro tip, always research the item's resale value before buying. Use your phone to check sold listings on eBay or other platforms to see what similar items are selling for. Step 2, inspecting and pricing. Once you have found an item, the next step is to inspect it thoroughly. Check for any damage, missing parts, or flaws that could affect its value. If it's in good condition, you are golden. Now it's time to figure out how much you can sell it for. Use platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace to see what similar items are selling for. Remember, your goal is to buy low and sell high. So make sure there is enough profit margin after factoring in fees and shipping costs. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 2 to 3 times what you paid for the item. Step 3, cleaning and prepping the item. Now that you have got your item, it's time to make it look its best. A little cleaning and prep work can go a long way in increasing its value. For example, wiping down electronics and test them to make sure they work. Wash and iron clothing items, polish furniture, or repair minor scratches. The better the item looks, the more you can charge for it. Think of it as adding value without spending much money. Step 4, listing and selling. Next up is listing your item for sale. Take high quality photos in good lighting and write a clear, detailed description. Be honest about the item's condition to avoid returns or negative feedback. Choose the right platform to sell on. For example, use eBay for collectibles or electronics. Use Facebook Marketplace for furniture or local pickups. Use Poshmark or Depop for clothing and accessories. And there is a pro tip. Use keywords in your title and description to make your listing easier to find. For example, instead of just adding red shoes, write brand name and the high heels, size 8, excellent condition, etc. The final step, scaling your flipping business. Once you have mastered flipping a few items, it's time to scale up. Reinvest your profits into buying more items and consider specializing in a niche you are passionate about. For example, you could focus on flipping vintage clothing, electronics, or furniture. You can also streamline your process by buying in bulk from liquidation sales or auctions, automating your listings with tools like eBay's bulk listing feature, building a brand by creating a social media page or website for your flipping business. And that's it. Flipping items for profit is a simple, low-risk way to make money, and anyone can do it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-making tips. Let me know in the comments what item you are going to flip first. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.